Back in 2017, Ravi was 29 years old and stuck in a rut, 9 to 6 job. Same Excel spreadsheets every day. Dreaming of making more money but no time to start something new. One night he stumbled upon a YouTube video titled Selling Excel Templates for Passive Income. He thought it was a scam, but curiosity got the better of him. He spent the weekend building a monthly budget tracker. It was something he'd already made for work. He uploaded it to Etsy for $5 and forgot about it. Weeks turned into a month. One sale came through, then another. Within 3 months he had 7 templates up and selling. Revenue, $280, then $700. All while still working his job. Across the world in Texas, Sarah was doing the same. She made a simple freelance invoice template in Excel and posted it on Gumroad. It went viral and she made $1,400 in one weekend. What's their secret? Well, people don't want Excel skills. They want Excel solutions. They want to hire people like us to build them useful stuff. Like if you're good at creating planners, trackers, schedules, reports, dashboards, anything that helps people save time and be more productive, you can sell those things. And there's a massive market for it. People are spending hundreds of dollars on courses just to learn how to make an Excel Gantt chart. Imagine selling a pre-made one for a fraction of the cost. You don't need to code. You don't need a huge following. You just need a simple skill that most people have. And here's the best part. You can get paid without delivering the work yourself. You see, when Ravi made his monthly budget tracker, he didn't know how useful it would be. He just made something he needed for work and posted it online. Same with Sarah and her invoice template. The point is, you don't need to spend hours every day working on these things. You just need to make something useful and clean and helpful. That's it. And here's what you'll learn in this video. First, I'll show you how to create an Excel template that people will actually buy. We'll go over formatting, design, and how to make your file useful. Next, we'll cover the different ways you can sell your templates and where to find the buyers. Finally, I'll share with you all the tools and resources I use personally to run my template business. And if you stick around till the end, I'll give you a bonus tip on how to make more money from your templates, so stay tuned.